are going to love the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.